Yes, welcome back. YouTube, Facebookers, Bluetooth, I am radio listeners, all of you, respect. We gotta praise God in this segment. Praise God together, yes. When I first got on Facebook, I like chatting with my friends. When I first got on Facebook, I like chatting with my friends. Facebook, I write a lot of LOL. Facebook, I write a lot of LOL. What the hell is LOL? What the hell is LOL? Then I freak out and I ask Cody, my friend from Kansas. He said, Tony, don't freak out. LOL is laugh out loud. Then I freak out and I ask my friend Cody from Kansas. He said, Tony Ajayi, don't freak out. LOL is laughing out loud. Oh well, that's all I do back home in Africa. Ah ha 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 ha. Laugh out loud. Ah ha 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 ha. Ah ha ha ha. We're gonna laugh out loud. Facebook and me, oh. Let's laugh out loud. Ah ha ha ha. Ah ha 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 ha. We laugh out loud. Oh, whoa. We laugh out loud. Facebook can laugh out loud. Come on. Laugh out loud. Facebook can laugh out loud. Thank you. Thank you, thank you.